Hello everyone, this is my review of this pet couch cover. This pet couch cover has a three-sided bolster for a nice headrest for your dog. It's nice and soft and plushy. The cover is waterproof and it will protect your couch, say if you have your dog that is wet. And I really like this cover, especially when I take out my dog to walk while it's raining outside. When she comes in, she likes to jump in the couch and like kind of wipe herself off or just relax on the couch. So I have this couch cover on the couch so she doesn't do that, because normally I would put her in the pet cage until she dries off. Now she can relax on the couch with me without having to go in the pet cage. You could have it extend the entire length of the couch or have part of it folded under the bolster part so you can have it shorter a little bit, just like a standard pet bed. There's plenty of room for little dogs and big dogs or multiple dogs. And if those little paws ever gets dirty, just toss in the washing machine and it's that easy to get it clean and you're ready to use again. So I hope this review helps.